Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Scott from Misfit Cartel, and I will be doing a bike check today. So to start off, I have ODI bar ends, McNeil def grips, Odyssey Aaron Ross space bars, a Shadow Ravager stem, a We the People headset, Eclat Stream forks, Profile Mini front hub with a Fit OG peg and the Profile hub guard, and We the People grip and tire. So moving on to my frame, I have the Sunday Funday Aaron Ross signature frame. My seat is Animal Cush with a We the People post and a Sunday seat clamp. I have the Sabrosa kitchen cranks with Eclat slash pedals, Eclat Siler sprocket with a Cult half-link Rasta chain, and a 1664 bottom bracket, which you probably can't see. And moving on to my back wheel, I have the Primo Remix, Primo Balance 7005 series rim, same as the front. I don't think I mentioned that. And I have a Animal MTT tire, another Fit OG peg, and the G Sport Gland hub guard. So this is a new channel, so we're gonna be doing day in the life, how-tos, reviews, and edits. So yeah, if you want me to review anything on it, just comment or inbox Misfit Cartel. So yes, like, favorite, subscribe. Thanks.